Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the RingConn Smart Ring. Inside, it comes with a quick start guide and a user manual. It also comes with a USB-C charging cable. Just to go over some specs, this comes in three colors: a moonlit silver, midnight black, and pale gold. It's made of a durable titanium with a PVD coating, non-allergenic, non-metallic, and a seamless inner molding. IP68, dust and waterproof, up to 50 meters. The battery can last up to 90 days and it can fully charge in 90 minutes. The charging case will give you an additional 15 to 18 charges. The width is about 7.8 millimeters and the thickness is 2.6 millimeters. And it weighs anywhere from 3 to 5 grams depending on your ring size. Uses Bluetooth 5.2. EMF safe and allows airplane mode. It has a heart rate sensor, blood oxygen sensor, skin temperature sensor, and a 3D accelerometer. It has app integration with no subscription required. Some of the features that it has is it has a 24/7 sleep monitoring, activity tracking, blood oxygen saturation monitor, heart rate monitor, HRV monitoring, stress monitoring, respiratory rate monitoring, skin temp monitoring, and sedentary time tracking, which we'll go over shortly in the app. Taking a look at the charging and storage case, it's pretty compact. It's got a matte finish all around. And then on the back you have the USB-C charging port. Opening the case, you'll have access to the ring, and I have the silver color. And then you can see the charging contacts inside. When purchasing the ring, you can select your color, and also you can select your ring size. If you don't know your ring size, they can send out a ring sizing kit. And all this can be done during the checkout process. So once you get the sizing kit, you can go back to your account and select the proper size. Taking a look at the ring, the outside has a brush matte finish. And then inside you can see all the sensors. So the way you want to put it on, you want to put the sensors on the bottom like this. So I have it so I can put it on my index finger or my middle finger. So once you have the app downloaded and have it paired with the ring, the app is pretty intuitive. On the main dashboard, you'll see a summary of your sleep and activity and the stress. And then it will have all the calories for your activities, and then all the measurements for your stress and your sleep time and time in bed. On the top you have the calendar, so it gives you a view of the time you used it and the various activities. So here in the calendar I've used it a few times. So if we look at the 7th, you can see the sleep activity here. So it says time in bed about 4 hours and 33 minutes, time asleep 3 hours and 30 minutes, and it gives you the percentage, gives you the awake, the REM, the light sleep and deep sleep percentage, along with your sleep heart rate, your HRV, and then the oxygen levels, along with the skin temperature. So moving over to the 6th of August, I tested it out with some steps on the treadmill. Under the activity tab, it will rate and give you a score. So it has a moderate and vigorous intensity, so 36 minutes, active calories 403. You can see there's about 5,700 steps, and then the total for the day's calories is about 1,100. Then you can see the standing duration, and it monitors the activity intensity, and then it gives you the ratio here. You can also sync this with the Apple, the Health app, and that's located in the general settings. Looking at the stress tab, so basically once you click the information, it gives you an idea of what that is measuring. So the stress index is measured through the heart rate variability, which measures whether you are in a stressed or relaxed state, and you will obtain more accurate results if you wear the device throughout the entire day. And it gives you some of the levels and how it ranks it. So you can see here a score of 48, the time during the day and the levels, and so on. Clicking on the upper right icon, you'll have access to the general settings. It will give you your charge levels, tell you the status, whether you're connected or not. You have the airplane mode, serial numbers, MAC address, device version, ring size, and access to the user guide. So along with the 24/7 monitoring, you can also get your vitals manually. So if you click on the vital icon on the upper right, you can monitor your heart rate and your oxygen levels manually. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the ring here and then hit measure for the heart rate. And just give it a few seconds. So you can see here 107 beats per minute, and then it gives you the average and the range. Now I'm going to do the O2. And you can see it's at 99, and also the average is 99. So my thoughts on the RingConn Smart Ring. I was impressed by the quality and the process when you order, all the way from the initial sizing and when they send out the ring. The setup is simple. It connects to the app easily, and then you have your measurements. So if you want 24/7 monitoring, or if you just want to use it for certain activities, you have that flexibility. I, for one, am not a big fan of smartwatches. I just don't like to have anything strapped on my wrist while working out, and this, I think, fits the bill for me when it comes to tracking a lot of the activities. So if you're looking for a smart activity tracker, definitely check out the RingConn.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.